Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use advanced filter without using Vlookup. Let's get started. We have employee data set. You can take any data set. It's not only employee data set. So in this example, we are using employee data set. So it has like columns employee ID, first name, last name, display name, email ID, etc. So in the sheet 2, I have specific email IDs and I want to get there only particular columns like job title, country, manager, employee ID, etc. So previously you use like a VLOOKUP function equal to VLOOKUP, find this value and then get the job title from this table. Instead of using the VLOOKUP, then we are going to use the Excel advanced data sort and filter option. So click on data tab, then click advanced in the sort and group section. Then Excel cannot determine this, click OK, that is fine here. So copy to another location. Then the next parameter is list range. So click on the list range. Where is your source data? So this is your actual data set. So select all the columns, including select all the columns, then drag. So this is a data set and your criteria range. So select this email ID, including the column email, then press enter. That is your criteria. Then copy to. So copy to, choose these columns, which are you want to get the job title, country, manager, and employee ID. Then press enter. Then click OK. So let's check, for example, procurement specialist. Which one is this? Sabernard. Sabernard. What is employee ID? Is easy to remember, like 1017. Go to 1017 record. Sabernard and procurement specialist. Yep, procurement specialist. France, France, etc. So this is the easy way that you can use the advanced filter without using the VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching this video.